Hello everyone, welcome back to Miss Cynthia's channel. Today we have another amazing house that you must see here in Kigali, Rwanda. As you can see, we are in this beautiful neighborhood here in Kicukiro, Kagarama and Muyanje to be precise. It's just few minutes from the airport and it's easy to go from here to downtown, to CBD and all around the town. And the best thing is that from here to the main road it's only 1 minute, and you can see this neighborhood, it's paved. Can you imagine? Look at how beautiful the neighborhood is. It's so beautiful and very nice. So we are going to go inside the house. We are going to see how it looks like. As you can see from here, this is the gate. Can you imagine? It looks so beautiful. That's why I was like, I have to show you this house, because look at the gate. It's so nice. The designs are something else, as you can see. And this house is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It have a dining room, it has a living room, and it also have a room outside for a housekeeper or maybe someone maintaining the house. And it's only for sale for 220 million Rwandan francs, negotiable. So here, as you can see, we are in a parking area. You can see it's quite spacious, where you can park 2 cars or maybe 3, and you can see it has very nice design, guys. I don't know, like, it's just so beautiful by looking at it. See, it's so beautiful, and look at the light, very nice. So this is the balcony here before you go into the living room. Yeah, it's so beautiful. So as we enter the living room, you can see it's quite spacious and very nice. You can put your TV here. That's the socket for the TV, you can see. And the light, ooh, it's something else. This house is quite beautiful, guys. So from the living room we have the dining area. And this is the thing that caught my eyes. Look at this sink. Can you see? It's so nice. And look at the water, how the water, comes out. Wow. And look at the plants, guys. See? Yeah, we have 2 plants on the side, and the mirror, of course. Yeah, and here you can fit 6 to 8 seats. As you can see, it's quite big. And from here we have the kitchen, but before we have the countertop here, where you can sit drinking or talking to someone cooking. And we also have very nice light here like this, and you can put some some ornaments here. You can put some decorations here. And this is the space for the fridge. You have a fridge, you can put it here. So this is the kitchen. Yes, it has plenty of cabinets where you can put dishes, food, all of that. And the good thing is this one can be locked, that one can be locked, few of them can be locked. So it's so nice. Here is the storage area, another one all around the place. And you can also put your stove on this side. And here we have the sink. Yes, and of course it has water. Can you see? This is so nice, guys. And you can have the view from outside, or you can open the window to get the air inside. And we have another cabinet here, and here is the back side of the house. We are going to go there later. Let's first go into the bedrooms and see how it is. So on this side we have the guest bedroom, and on the right side we have the bathroom, where it has a very nice designs, and the black gives it a nice touch of the black. Look at that. And that's the shower head, and we also have a mirror here. Yes, and from here, this is the bedroom. This house for sale, or you can invest in this house. It comes with wardrobes in every room. So it's 4 rooms. That means it's 4 wardrobes. I feel like it's worth the price because it comes with the wardrobes in every room. As you can see, this is the wardrobe. You can put your clothes here, you can hang them here, or you can put the folded one here, and you can see how it is. You can put the bed here, and this guest house can have the view of the parking area, as you can see, and the light is so nice, yes, and bright. From this side we are going to go to the remaining 3 bedrooms, which are on this side. As you will go inside like this, we have 1 bedroom here. Yes, look at this one. Yeah, it has its own wardrobe. Yes, of course. See? And you know, you can open the window to get the air, you know, and it also goes to the a back side. And we also have another room here. This is the door going to the back side or the outside kitchen, and here we also have a wardrobe. You can see this is the room. It's quite big also, and here we have the shared bathroom of that 2 bedrooms. Those 2 bedrooms shares this bathroom, and you can see it's quite big for, you know, 2 bedrooms. It also have a shower head here, and here the camera, and this is your girl Cynthia, who is excited to show you around, you know, to introduce this beautiful house to you guys. And here is the sink, and it's also black. It has this beautiful touch that it brings to the bathroom with this dark, you know, color, this black color. And this is the bathroom. It also have a light. And here we comes to the master bedroom. But first, here is the bathroom of the master bedroom. You can see, very nice. It has 2 shower heads. It has the handle held one, and it also have a fixed one. And here is the toilet where you can hang your towel. And can you imagine, it also have cabinets where you can store some soaps, toiletries, and all of that. And we also have mirror with 2, you know, where you can put some things like. From here we're going to the master bedroom. Yes, this is the master bedroom. Very, very spacious. Look at this one. Look at the wardrobe. It has a very big wardrobe, like very big. Yeah, because it's a master bedroom. Here is where you can hang some clothes, where you can put folded ones. And this is another side of the wardrobe. Yeah, it's just for, you know, more than, it's for 2 people, as you can see, and it's such a nice one. So from here we have balcony outside. I don't have the key for this door, but you know, you can see from here how the, you know, the balcony looks like. It's quite nice and very spacious. So yeah, you can put some seats here and enjoy your time talking to your partner or your family member. And yeah, this is how it is. From there you can go to the, you know, the parking area from that side. And I love the designs of this place, guys. Look at the designs. It's something else. Look at this one. Like, yo, I can't get over it. It's such a nice one. The design, yo, it's something else. Yeah, I love the design so much. So we are going to go from here. We are going to go to the back side to show you guys where you can hang your clothes if, you know, you wash them here, and maybe where your housekeeper can stay. Yeah. So from the kitchen we are going outside. As you can see, we have a small space where you can sit with your family members and yeah, enjoy your time. Here you can see how it looks like, and that's where you can hang your clothes all the way going to the other area. Let me show you. Yes, this is where you can hang your clothes if you wash them. You can see it's quite big, and we have water everywhere. So this is the outside sink where you can wash or, you know, clean something. And we also have an outside kitchen here. maybe housekeeper bedroom, toilet, and all of that, bathroom. So if you go this way, you are going back to the parking area. So this is how the house is, and yeah, let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Yeah, let me know. Are you do you think this house is worth 220 million Rwandan francs? Let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this kind of videos, let me know in the comment section too, so that I will bring you more and more of these videos here in Kigali or other side of Rwanda. So to remind you, this house is only for 220 million Rwandan francs, negotiable, and it's in Kicukiro, Kagarama, Muyanje to be precise, 1 minute from the main road, and also it's just around the corner. The airport is around the corner, and also you can go from here to other parts of Kigali very easily, because it's one of the beautiful neighborhoods in Rwanda where people are living. As you saw from outside, such a nice neighborhood, and it's quite one, only that the construction are going on, but it's a nice one. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I will see you in another one very soon. Bye. I love you all.